Hi friends, today I will advise you how you can do self-talk. But friends, before start this video, I would like to tell you our today's topic is habits. Friends, a good habits it's quite necessary to develop in our life. Through the habit topics, you can do mouth exercise as well as speaking practice to yourself. I know friends, while English speaking practice, our mind goes blank. Friends, this technique I have been using since long time and that's why I am sharing with you. Friends, you can take any topic according to your interest, whether you can take any object and speak beneficial about it and how you can use the daily basis in your life. This way, you can do speaking practice yourself. So, hi friends, I am Kailash Patel and welcome to my another segment in this video. Thumbs up, like and share this video so you get more videos where you get motivate yourself and how you can do practice yourself alone at home. So without further delay, let's come our topic habit. Friends, tiny habit give remarkable result. A habit is a routine of behavior that is repeated regularly and tend to occur subconsciously. Friends, why habits are so important? Because a habit is a small decision which we can make action and perform every single day. Friends, habits are unlimited energy saver. Friends, over 40% is habits. We are habitual and it's make life very comfortable. Habits are our brain way of increase its efficiency and our brain turn a daily basis action and behavior into habits. And that's why friends, our good habit will help to more increase our strength and that's why habits leads to our destiny. And through the habits, you can also do self-talk, speaking practice and mouth exercise and develop this language. Friends, I hope you like this topic. We will meet our next video along with a new topic. Till time, take care. Bye bye.